He's upside down and he can't get back up.
Hopefully this week we do a lot better.
He's got some grass out there.
What is that?
Praying mantis.
Yeah, I like killing those and putting them on my insect collection. I got cussed out by my teacher.
What is that?
That was back in 80 something.
Yeah, I think he
Do you
just
have a
did.
diaper change?
I don't know if they're under extinction anymore.
What about praying mantis? Or
That's what I
you're talking
did.
about.
No, and what about those things that look like grass?
That's a stick bug.
Oh, I thought it was dead.
He's moving
Oh,
away
no, it's
from
not
it.
dead.
Looks,
That truck ain't running right at all, dude.
Oh, look.
It's like that on its firing order.
stop. Let's see him eat him.
Thank you.
Do you see his eyes?
Uh-oh.
You heard him. Aww.
No, you have to be nice.
Now it's on bed.
Outside now.
No, it's awesome. Ow.
Outside. Did he just grab it?
Yes.
Outside.
Step on him, Dominic.
He probably will.
Step on him.
I'll teach him to be mean and shit like that, then.
Oh my god.
Okay.
I mean,
That poor bug.
Tell all your friends to stay out.
This is why it's not good to have older brothers.
And he'll kill you.
Older brothers teaching bad things.
Oh, Jeffrey's just cheering you up with this.
Oh, it's on his foot. It's on- He's tripping.
Did he just step on that thing?
Oh, it stepped on him.
Get it, Dominic.
right there.
Funny the way he leans on the bed.
Make sure you keep those receipts from the safe going, because I'm sure the county will be saying, "You don't wait for your copies next year."
Jack.
Dominic, get him.
Go find that in the bug.
I think it's upside down and dead.
Get it outside.
See you in the morning. Bye, have a good night.
He says, no, I don't want to go on the paper.
Outside! Come in, man.
I don't know what Dominic's doing. One more time. Get it, Dominic. Get the
Where's the
bug.
bug? Where's the bug?
Right here.
He's like everybody else is staying away from it.
Jeffrey.
Monkey see, monkey do.
Dominic, here. Look, what is this? What is it? It's a bug. Can you say hi, bug?
He can't even walk right.
Can you say hi, bug?
He done got his butt kicked so many times by butt. All right.
That's for new better.
Bye, Dominic. Say bye-bye.
That poor damn thing.
Bye-bye.
I have a broken leg.
Now, instead of posting that entire, like, bajillion second video,